Hi there, welcome to Neki Handmade YouTube channel. You're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this tutorial, I would like to share with you how I achieved this color blocking rolled collar design. This is the right side and also the left side of it combined with the sleeve. It's a beautiful gown. You can see how it looks, very beautiful. I want to share with you how you can make a perfect rolled collar. Both in and out, I'll take you through the process. You can see how the unique combination of this color. If it's the first time of coming across my channel and you haven't subscribed, do where to subscribe for you to join the family. And if you have done so, thanks for sticking with me. Let's get into this tutorial and start. I double folded my fabric to make it 4 folds. Okay. The length we are using for this my gown is 16 inches length. Next one, when it's unfold, is 21 inches width. Okay, 3.5 inches for the neck width and 3 inches is for the front neck depth. Here is the back neck depth of 8 inches. It's a V shape I'm connecting now. When I'm done with that, I have to slant the shoulder slant of 1 inch. That's what I'm doing right now. And at that point where I come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope, I have to put 10 inches for my sleeve opening. Go inward by 2 inches. And here is my hip length of 26 inches. I'm connecting the lines now. I have to zoom it for you to see it. My chalk is kind of faint, but that's my hip line. I'm putting my quarter of my hip plus extra 5 inches. It's kind of a free gown. Now I wanted to curve the cowl shape from there. I have to change my mind. I want to step down a bit by 5 inches. Okay, that is what is going on there. I have to step down by 5 inches and create out my new line. I'm connecting the new lines now. I'm not gonna use the upper one. Then after connecting that, I have to impute the same measurement by hip divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches there and start my cowl shape curve. Take it all the way upward to the sleeve side where I went in by 2 inches. I have tutorials on how to make a cowl shape, Bubu cowl. Very easy to make. Now after connecting that, at this point I have to connect the line upward, but before then I have to improve the measurement downward at the hem part by hip divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches and connect it upward. I'm now cutting out my full length. Next, I have to cut out the remaining one. Then after cutting that, getting to the shoulder side, I have to cut out the shoulder side, leaving 0.5 inches for my seam allowance, extending my cutting to the front neck depth. When I'm done with that, here I have to split the fold at the sleeve part. When I measure it out, I'm going to add extra 5 inches on the sleeve part using lace fabric. Now I have to separate the both bodies for me to cut out the back neck depth. When I'm done with that, I have to open it up for you to see the shape of it now. And here is the back bodies. and here is the front bodies. I'm going to complete this sleeve length of 5 inches length using a slave fabric, but I later changed the base anyway to lemon color. Here, after I'm trying to explain, after joining that, I'm going to take the round neck measurement and then our roll collar. I've joined the shoulders. I'm going to take the all around neck measurement. Mine is 28.5 inches. Then here I have to consider the two doll face fabric, the one that will work for me. I think the lemon one is better. This is how I'm going to combine the two colors of lace. And here is the base, the lemon one we are using for this base, the collar. I first fold it and second fold that. And here is the folded part and here is the opening side. I'm imputing half of my neck measurement 14.25 and connect it in a straight line. And at that point I have to come down by 5 inches and connect it as well. That's the extension for the rolled collar. Okay, now I'm marking on fold 5.5 inches for the width of rolled collar, including the seam allowance of 0.5 inches. And when you open it up, it will be 11 inches. I'm connecting the lines now, both the extension and slant it this way. Go ahead and cut it out. And when you open it up, it will be this very neat. Now I have to open it like this. I have a tutorial on how you can make that using a bias form technique. Here is the black and white color lace, right side facing the right side. We're going to cut it now. Okay, placing the base of this collar like so. I have to fold it this way and notch the center. Then after notching the center, I'll open it up like so. Use my chalk to indicate that and connect a straight line there. Then fold it back into like so. Carefully place it on the lace like you see me do. I have to pin the 3 edges. Then after that, I rule out a line on a straight line with my chalk on a lace part of it and not that the base part, okay? Then after that, I have to add 0.5 inches for the joining allowance. This is happening just on the lace part and connect a straight line. I'll go ahead and cut out the shape like you see me do. And when we are done with that, we'll move over to my machine for me to join the lace. After joining that, you can see how it is. I'll go ahead and place the doll face lemon color for the construct color. You can see the right side of it. This is beautiful. And that's the wrong part of it. And when the right side facing the right side, go ahead and join the two sides like so. And after joining that, you flip over to the right side, and that's the way it is. Next one, going to move over to join the shoulder side. This is the shoulder line. We're going to work on the sleeve part. Like I said, I'm going to cut out 7 inches for the sleeve length, both the seam allowance. I cut out the lace for the right side of my sleeve and also the doll face of lemon color. Okay, go ahead and join it. I did the same thing to the left side of it, the white color one. Now I've done that. I'm showing you right now how I join my collar, the right side of my collar facing the right side of this Bubu gown. The down part of it, I have to stitch it all the way all around using the upper side of the to top stitch it. But let me show you what I did. After stitching it all around using the downside of the collar part, you're going to use this upper side and the top stitch it like you see me doing for you to achieve a neat finishing. You can see right now how the inside of it is. This is the wrong side, very neat finishing. There's no way you can see the same allowance, and let me show you the right side of this very neat finishing. I want to share with you how you can perfect color and neat finishing. Next, I'm showing you right now, I have a tutorial on how I achieved this particular one. The cutting process of this, I cut it in a bias form. Okay, I wanted you to watch the tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, now this is how I finished the sleeve part of it. The inside of it, you can't see the seam allowance, it's hidden between. Okay, I'm gonna head and hem it. This for the left side, and here is the right side of it. I've gone ahead and hem it as well. I'm going to stitch the two sides now, and after stitching the two sides, go ahead and hem this part. I've done that already, you can see it. Neat finishing. The two sides I've joined that. Okay, and here I've hemmed the down part of it as well. I've hemmed that. Very neat finishing. Road collar Bubu gown with a color blocking technique. Very beautiful Bubu gown. If you have watched to this point, I have to thank you for your time. I'll see you next on my next video. I'm still making handmade. Bye bye for now.